Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Today we will discuss question number 5 to 8. Okay, so your question number 5 is the gradient between two numbers is 6488 means दो संख्याओं में जो बड़ी संख्या है 6488 है. Next sentence, the sum of the numbers is 10580. और जो दो नंबर हैं उन दोनों का सम जो है 10580 है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज फाइंड देयर डिफरेंस. तो आपको क्या निकालना है? उनके डिफरेंस को निकालना है. गिवन योर स्टूडेंट्स ग्रेटर नंबर एंड द सम ऑफ द टू नंबर्स. सो लुक द सॉल्यूशन एंड दिस इज योर पार्ट 16 ऑफ चैप्टर 5 and it's your exercise 10. So look the solution students. Right here the greater number is equal to 6480. The sum of the two numbers is equal to 10580 and the smallest number is equal to what? We will subtract our greater number from the sum of two numbers and after subtraction we will get our smallest number 4100. Okay, and then we will find difference of the two numbers. Okay, means greater number minus a smaller number, we will get our final answer 2380. Next question number 6. Question number 6 is by how much is the sum of 8263 and 9152 greater than their difference. मीन्स आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि ये जो यहाँ पर आपका जो दो नंबर है इन दोनों का सम इन दोनों के डिफरेंस से कितना अधिक है. ओके, so firstly we will find here sum of these two numbers and difference of these two numbers and after that we will subtract, then we will get our final answer. Okay, means 16526 greater than the sum of these two numbers. Okay, from their difference of these two numbers. So firstly we will add these two numbers and then we will subtract these two numbers. We will find this the difference of these two numbers and then we will find here final answer means greater value. Okay, next question number 7. Our question number 7 is what must be added to the difference of 19250 and 11905 to make it equal to their sum. Okay students, आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि यहाँ पर इन दोनों के डिफरेंस में क्या ऐड होना चाहिए कि इन दोनों के सम के इक्वल हो जाए. ओके, सो in such type of question firstly we will find the difference of these two numbers and then sum of these two numbers and after that the number to be added or subtracted. Okay, so look the solution of question number 7. Your question number 7 solution given here. Firstly we will find a difference, then sum and last the number to be added. Means we will subtract our difference from the sum of these two numbers. We will get 23,810. Okay, and students you can complete your mathematics notes from this video chapter related all video. You can pause the video and you can solve on your mathematics notebook. Look question number 8. Your question number 8 is just like question number 7 and in this question we have to find number must be subtracted, means the number to be subtracted. So firstly students we will find here sum of these two numbers and the difference of these two numbers. After finding the sum and the difference we will find the number to be subtracted. Look the solution given here. Yes,